Hi everyone, here it is, the third and final part, basically showing you how, like the install of the stainless steel pipes. If you're new, thanks for coming back and consider subscribing here with the button. Give us a thumbs up for these set of videos, and I'm going to just crack on with it. I didn't catch the last bit of putting the Flexi pipe in, but this is pretty much the same process as the front one, it's just a rear bank. So as always, if you're returning, great, thanks for the support, and if you're new, consider hitting that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. Let's crack on. So with the new kit, stainless steel, you get a pack of new gaskets, some bolts, bits and pieces. So work out what ones you need and get on with it. So I've got the new stainless steel one, the gasket. I'm going to slide it up into place. So new gasket going up. One of the studs, where is it? One of these studs actually stayed in place and the bolt itself come off on its own. That's how it's meant to. Alright, slide this up. Right, where's the bolt that come off on its own? So that enabled me to get the first one in. You can see where the next one's got to go. Right, as you can see just here, I can get my hand up to it, just there, above my finger. That's where the first one's got to sit in. So I've got my deep mill. And I'm going to just try and gently get it all back into place. Feels like it is. So, yeah, I'd say that's in. So get the ratchet on there, nip it up. These ones, I believe, are 40. So the ones that go around from the downpipe, the manifold down to the cat, are 40 Newton meters. Oh. Okay, we'll get them all in. 3 in the bottom, 3 in the top. Alright, what I'm going to do, you've seen how to take it down. Okay, so what I'm going to do is you've seen how to take it down, you've seen where the bolt locations are. I'm going to put it all back together. I will show you the next step, putting the decat pipe in and the new Flexi pipe in. But that's the new manifold in. I'm going to do it all up. I'm not going to bore you with all the nitty gritty bits, but these bolts here, like I say, do up to 20 Newton meters each. Alright, well I've managed to get one stud in. It's harder to get them in than actually to get them out. I've got one to stick in next to it, and then I've got the one over here. So I'm just going to fiddly get them in. See, oh, I've managed to get this one in. I'm going to do it up gradually. last stud. I'll show you how fiddly it was to get in. I've got all bar this last one in. Right, this one is in. Right, that's obviously on enough to get a ratchet on it now. Here's my little 5mm. I'm going to stop filming and do these up. Alright, well that was a pig of a job to do. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the new cat pipe in. It looks like this, hold on. Like this. Okay, stainless steel. I'm going to put the bolts in, marry them up, get them in the right position. And I'm going to call it a day. As you can see, the state of us, it's so warm. It's 30 odd degrees in the garage here, so it's quite warm. So I'm going to call it a day, come back tomorrow, freshen up and challenge it again tomorrow. So I'm going to just put the cat pipe on, get it ready and finish tomorrow. Let's crack on. Okay, so the new bolts with a pack are 14, focus, they're 14, but the actual nut that comes with them is 13. Very gingerly I'm going to put a couple of bolts in place, get underneath, try and do one up. Right, I'm going to show you the underside of this. Let's get that back into place. That's a lot easier putting that in. You've got the room to work. Let's get the new Flexi. In the pack, get some new bolts, some nuts and a new bracket. About 15mm bolt, using a new gasket, new bolts. I'm going to get these black ones done up. I'm not going to do this, just to let you know, I'm not doing this right up now, because this bit's going to need to come down so I can get this other one out. I'm just putting it in place, nipping it up, make sure it all fits. So that's a new Flexi pipe gone in, some decat pipes, and some new stainless steel manifolds gone in today. So tomorrow in the next part of this video, I'm going to do the back bank, the back flexi, and the back manifold. So if you like the video, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Get your new gasket, put it up. Get your nice stainless steel manifold, put it up. Okay, so these all torqued up to 20 Newton meters. These bolts here need doing back up. That one needs tightening. So, and then we put the cat pipe in. Right, okay, I'm going to now put in the decat. With the kit, you get new gasket and 3 nut and bolts, brass ones. So I find best to do a bolt at the top. Do all 3 of them. Probably do this one here last. Get the others nipped up first actually. Let me know. I'll always give you a close up of what I'm doing anyway. So get your first nut into place. So I've done this pipe, this is the down pipe, the gasket's in, bolts through the top, nip them up by hand. I've done the same one there. So now I'm just going to try and just nip them up as best as you can by hand. Okay, so that's they're just temporarily nipped up. I've got to do the one over the front here now, so I'll do that now. Okay, so I've got the pipe up, I've got the last bolt in at the back. I'm just going to put the nut onto it now. The same method as before. There we go. So how am I going to do these up? Okay. The top ones are 14, the bottom ones are 13. So using an adjustable ratchet spanner. And I don't want to use that one. How I'm going to do this is by putting the ratchet spanner over the top. Putting the 30mm on the bottom. Supporting it from the top. Nip it up until it don't go no more by hand. Put that on there. And do it up. And you repeat that process on all of them. Next bit is the back Flexi, and that's it. We can put the front one back in, nip it all back up, and that's it. So I'm going to crack on, let you watch. Cheers for watching.